Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a couple of lipstick tube advertising lighters. Different paint schemes may be similar. Pretty cool. Made by see if we can get in here close enough. May not be able to with this camera, at least on that lighter. On this one I'm sure we can see it. WESTON International, New York. Made in USA. And these are very basic petrol lighters with not a lot of capacity for fuel. Nor really fine tuning of any kind. This one you're lucky to get it out of the bottom case. I think I said at the beginning that these were lipstick tube lighters, but I should have added something else, which is advertising lighters. As you can see on this one, it says something certified womanized lumber. Feel like I should have looked that up. Yeah, I'll include a. Well, we'll see. I'll splice something in if there's explanation needed. Something certified PL womanized lumber. I knew it said lumber. I just didn't pay attention to what the first word was. I don't know what womanized means. I know what a womanizer is. But this is an advertising for PL or LP certified womanized lumber. And this particular lighter, as you can see, compared to these others, or to this other one, I only have the two. Each of them, the lid and the case are the same size, but this one, they are bigger than it is than they are on this one. I hope that made sense. This one, the same. Try that again. It's so fine on this one. I think it's focusing, I just can't see it. There you go, I think it's right there. I think it just says Weston. Yeah, right there. Weston International. Actually, my eyes, I'm going to have to look back at this because I can't see well enough to see what the camera, see what my screen shows right there. So I hope I can make it out. So maybe it says all three lines. It's just so much worn than the other one was. I don't know. We'll see when I edit on a bigger screen. Obviously, I don't know exactly how these were marketed. If they're marketed as a lipstick lighter, then, you know, in general, I would say that's a ladies' lighter. But when I looked up listings for them, I saw several where they were listed alongside pen lighters. So that made me think men might carry them too. Maybe they weren't marketed strictly as lipstick lighters. Same here, that says Fleet something. So that's a different advertisement on that end than it is on this one. Fleet Wing. Fleet Wing. And a bird. And then this one has the womanized lumber on both ends. So I guess that was I don't know if Fleet Wing was associated with Penn Glen Oil Works, and that's why there's two on this, two different ones. Two different advertisers on the same lighter. Sort of like Coca-Cola and McDonald's. If you like videos about old Petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Post any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.